welcome to today's lesson on mastering formatting in MS Excel. In this session, we'll explore how to enhance the appearance of your Excel spreadsheets through formatting techniques. Let's dive in. Properly formatted numbers are crucial for clarity and professionalism in Excel. To format numbers, select the cells containing the numbers you want to format. Then, go to the Home tab on the ribbon and locate the Number group. Click on the Number Format drop-down menu to choose from various formatting options such as currency, percentage, date, and more. First, select the cells containing the numbers you want to format. Then, navigate to the Home tab and locate the Number group. Here, you'll find various functions for formatting your numbers. Setting to numbers, this option allows you to display numbers without any specific format. Currency, choose this to format numbers as currency, ensuring they have the appropriate currency symbol and decimal places. Accounting, similar to currency formatting, but aligns the currency symbols and decimal places for better readability. Time, use this to format numbers as time values, with options for hours, minutes, and seconds. Percentage, convert numbers to percentages, multiplying them by 100 and adding a percentage symbol. Fraction, display numbers as fractions, either as mixed numbers or as improper fractions. Scientific, formats numbers in scientific notation, useful for very large or very small numbers. Text, keep numbers as text, preventing Excel from interpreting them as numeric values. Formatting text in Excel allows you to emphasize important information and make your data more readable. To format text, select the cells containing the text you want to format. Then, you can change the font size, font color, alignment, and apply text effects from the Font group in the Home tab. Experiment with different formatting options to find the style that suits your spreadsheet best. Formatting text in Excel allows you to customize the appearance of your data for better presentation and readability. Let's explore some key formatting options. First, select the cells containing the text you want to format. Then, navigate to the Home tab and locate the Font group. Here, you'll find several functions for formatting text. Font style, choose from a variety of font styles to suit your preferences and presentation needs. Font size, adjust the size of the text to make it more prominent or fit within specific cells. Bold and italic, emphasize text by making it bold or italicized, drawing attention to important information. Increase and decrease font, quickly adjust the font size with these options. Fill color, apply background color to cells to highlight specific text or create visual distinction. Text color, change the color of the text itself to improve contrast or match your desired aesthetic. Alignment, control the alignment of text within cells to enhance readability and presentation. Congratulations! You've now learned how to effectively format text and numbers in MS Excel. Remember, proper formatting not only enhances the appearance of your spreadsheet but also improves clarity and understanding for yourself and others. Keep practicing and exploring different formatting options to become proficient in Excel. Thank you for your attention and happy formatting.